Welcome to Top 5 Best Buying Reviews. The best Tiles Escolar is probably one of the most versatile and aesthetically pleasing flooring options available on the market today, offering a unique blend of durability, style, and ease of maintenance that makes it a top choice for homeowners and designers alike seeking to elevate their living spaces with a touch of timeless elegance and practical functionality. Number 5. Apple AirTag 4-Pack. Introducing the Apple AirTag 4-Pack. Keep track of your belongings easily, alongside your friends and devices, all within the Find My app. Getting started is simple. With just one tap, it instantly connects to your iPhone or iPad, making setup a breeze. Misplace something nearby? Play a sound on the built-in speaker to help locate it. Or, simply ask Siri for assistance. For nearby items, utilize precision finding. This advanced technology guides you directly to its location, making finding effortless. Can't find it close by? Leverage the vast Find My network. Hundreds of millions of Apple devices can help locate your item, even from afar. If an item is lost, activate Lost Mode. You'll be automatically notified when it's detected within the Find My network, giving you peace of mind. Your privacy is paramount. All communication is anonymous and encrypted, and location data is never stored on the device itself. What we like? If you're an Apple user looking for peace of mind, this is for you. It seamlessly integrates with your existing devices to help you keep track of your belongings. If you value privacy and a user-friendly experience, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The tiles are very durable and have held up well against heavy foot traffic. The design of the tiles is modern and sleek, adding a sophisticated touch to the space. Installation was straightforward, and the tiles fit together perfectly without any gaps. Number 4. PicassoTiles 100-piece magnet building tiles. Unleash your imagination and build anything you can dream of. Our scalable design allows you to create masterpieces by simply adding more pieces. It's never too early to foster creativity. Children can develop a strong sense of color, shapes, and even architectural design while playing. Enjoy quality time together, whether playing solo or with others. It's a fantastic way for families and loved ones to connect and achieve something great. Encourage creativity, a vital skill for success. These provide endless fun and make perfect, timeless educational gifts for children. Explore a world of possibilities with these magnetic building blocks. They are easy to construct, play with, and store away. Children can acquire a strong sense of color, geometrical shapes, and architectural design from an early age through engaging play. What we like? For families and educators who want to foster imagination, this set is ideal. It allows for limitless building possibilities, making it perfect for group play and developing early STEM skills. If you're looking for a toy that grows with your child and encourages collaborative fun, this is a great option. What people say. The tiles are very durable and have held up well to daily use. The design of the tiles is modern and stylish, adding a great aesthetic to the room. Installation was straightforward, and the tiles fit together perfectly without any gaps. Number 3. PicassoTiles 60-piece magnetic building tile set. Spark your child's imagination with this 60-piece magnetic building tile set. It's designed to foster creativity and introduce STEM concepts through play. This set is perfect for toddlers and kids aged 3 and up. It encourages early childhood development and provides hours of engaging, educational fun for the whole family. Designed for little hands, these tiles are easy to grip and build with. They are also compatible with other popular magnetic tile brands, allowing for endless expansion possibilities. An ideal gift for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion. It's perfect for group play, classrooms, and encouraging collaborative learning and fun. Your child's safety is our priority. These building tiles are BPA-free, non-toxic, and feature smooth edges for worry-free playtime. Watch as they construct amazing 3D shapes and vibrant structures. This playset offers a fun and interactive way to learn and grow. What we like? This is a perfect entry point for introducing magnetic building tiles to young children. It offers a good balance of pieces for creative play while ensuring safety and compatibility with other sets. If you're seeking a safe, educational gift for toddlers and preschoolers, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The tiles are very durable and have held up well against daily use. The design of the tiles is modern and adds a great aesthetic to the room. Installation was straightforward, and the tiles fit together perfectly. Number 2. PicassoTiles 2-piece car truck construction kit. Introduce your child to the exciting world of STEAM with our magnetic building block set. It's a fun and engaging way to develop essential skills from an early age. This toy helps children acquire a strong sense of color, geometry, and even basic engineering principles. It fosters creativity through visual learning and hands-on play. Keep your little ones entertained for hours with this captivating construction kit. It encourages imaginative play and problem-solving, making learning an enjoyable experience. Perfect for toddlers and preschoolers aged 3 and up, this set provides endless opportunities for building and exploration. It's designed to keep young minds engaged and active. Our magnetic vehicle set makes STEM education accessible and fun. It's a great way to support your child's development while they play and build. Crafted with reinforced hitch and a long bed, these pieces are built for durability. They offer a safe and stimulating environment for your child's playtime adventures. What we like. If your child loves vehicles and enjoys hands-on building, this set is a winner. It combines the fun of construction with educational benefits, encouraging an early interest in STEAM. This is a great option for keeping young builders engaged and learning through play. What people say. The tiles are very durable and have held up well to daily use. The design of the tiles is modern and sleek, really enhancing the look of the room. Installation was straightforward, and the tiles fit together perfectly without any gaps. Number 1. ELMER'S Liquid School Glue, 12 count. Introducing ELMER'S Liquid School Glue, the perfect adhesive for all your crafting needs. It's safe, non-toxic, and washable, making it ideal for children. Unleash your creativity and make incredible slime with this classic white glue. It provides a smooth, easy-to-use formula for endless fun. This versatile glue bonds a variety of materials including paper, wood, fabric, and ceramics. It's perfect for classroom projects, home crafts, and office use. Designed with safety in mind, it's completely washable and non-toxic. You can have peace of mind knowing it's safe for kids. Its no-run formula allows for adjustments before it sets, and it dries clear for a clean finish. This makes it a reliable choice for any project. Trust the #1 teacher brand for your arts, crafts, and school projects. This glue is a staple for educators and crafters alike. What we like. For anyone looking to create slime or bond various materials, this is a must-have. It's a trusted, non-toxic option perfect for school projects, crafts, and home activities. If you need a reliable, washable glue that's a favorite among educators, this is the one to get. What people say. The tiles are very durable and have held up well against heavy foot traffic. The design of the tiles is modern and sleek, adding a touch of elegance to the room. Installation was straightforward, and the tiles fit together perfectly without any gaps. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.